Hello, I'm with Base Brands, and here we have the Go-Go's. We have the Go-Go's Barista, the Go-Go's Fountain, and the Go-Go's Kids. Go-Go's is a set of 3 stacking cups. Stack and store them. Put them in your cupboard. They have insulated sleeves here so that you could keep your hand warm. They're microwave safe, dishwasher safe, and BPA free. And they're in great colors. You can stack, store, as well as mix and match the sleeves and bands. Put them on whichever one you'd like to just give your cup a little bit of character. An added addition here. If you forget one at the office, no worries. You have another one here ready to go. This is the Barista. The Fountain has a nice straw lock for the cups. Nice clear cups so you can see what content, whether you want to put a smoothie drink in there or iced coffee, whatever you'd like. And then you have the Kids with fun, unique designs and colors, as well as another straw lock system so the kids don't lose the straw. In addition, everything you see here is BPA free. And these are the Go-Go's by Base Brands.